Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. The new year has started, so let us also start with a sweet recipe, rich, creamy badam kheer recipe. This is really very rich and very creamy and also very tasty badam kheer. For this I have taken 1 cup of almonds soaked in hot water for half an hour so that it will be easy for us to peel off the skin. Now wash thoroughly and peel off all the skins. And add it to a mixer grinder and let us make it into a paste. You can use quarter cup of water or quarter cup of milk to make a paste and you keep it aside. Now let us boil the milk. This is 1.5 liters of milk. The milk should boil at least 15 to 20 minutes in low medium flame. When the milk starts boiling, add little saffron to this. Saffron here is optional. If you want you can add, otherwise also the kheer will be very tasty. Now add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk to this. Let it boil. Now it's been 10 minutes, the milk is boiling. Now it's time to add the almond paste. Mix well. There should not be any lumps in the milk. If any lumps are there, you have to break it out and mix well. Now add quarter cup of sugar. I have added less sugar here because I have already added the condensed milk also. If you want to add more sugar, you can add more. In the other pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 2 tablespoons of crushed cashew nut and just roast it till it becomes golden brown in color. Now add half a cup of milk to this and quarter cup of milk powder. Just mix well. Keep on mixing. You should not take your hand out. Keep on mixing, keep on stirring till it becomes thicker. The badam kheer will become very creamy when we add this. Meanwhile, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of our new uploads. And also please do like and share to your friends and relatives. Now it's becoming thicker. Now let us add this into the milk. This will give a creamy texture. Here nuts, if you want you can add the nuts or you can just ignore that. But adding nuts will give a crunchy taste while having the kheer. Now finally add the cardamom powder and let it boil for 2 more minutes. This is almost done now. Now you can see this is very creamy and very rich badam kheer. You can make this for any occasion or for any parties. You can have this hot, or if you want to have it cold, you can keep this in the refrigerator for 1 hour and you can have it cold. The very very tasty badam kheer is ready now. Please do everyone try this and give the feedback. Thanks for watching.